Life is full of challenges, and pain is something we all experience at some point. But what if that pain wasn't just something to endure but something that could fuel your growth? Every struggle carries a lesson, every setback holds an opportunity, and every failure can be a stepping stone to success. The key is not to let pain break you but to let it shape you into a stronger, wiser, and more resilient person. When you shift your mindset and take purposeful action, you can turn even the darkest moments into a source of power and inspiration, transforming pain into power. Pain is an inevitable part of life, but how we handle it determines whether it weakens us or strengthens us. Many of the world's most successful and inspiring people have used their struggles as fuel to create something meaningful. Instead of letting pain break them, they allowed it to build them into stronger, wiser individuals. The secret to turning pain into power lies into essential steps: shifting your perspective and taking purposeful action. Pain often comes with disappointment, loss, or failure, but it also comes with valuable lessons. The way we interpret pain makes all the difference. Instead of seeing hardships as unfair burdens, view them as opportunities for growth. Ask yourself, what can this experience teach me? How can I use this situation to become better? By reframing pain as a teacher rather than a punishment, you start to see its purpose in your life. Many great leaders, athletes, and entrepreneurs have endured failures, rejection, and hardships before achieving success. Their ability to extract wisdom from struggles allowed them to push forward rather than give up. Once you change how you see pain, the next step is using it as motivation to create positive change. Pain has energy if left unmanaged. It can lead to anger, resentment, or hopelessness, but if directed wisely, it can fuel personal growth, creativity, and resilience. Use your hardships as inspiration to pursue something meaningful. Many people start businesses, charities, or creative projects because of personal struggles. When you've overcome a challenge, you have the power to guide and support others going through similar situations. This not only heals you but also creates a cycle of empowerment. Let your past pain push you toward a better future, whether it's improving your health, achieving financial success, or proving your doubters wrong. Use your struggles as a driving force. Pain doesn't have to define you. It can become the very thing that strengthens and motivates you. By shifting your mindset and taking action, you can turn your greatest struggles into your greatest source of power. Pain is not the end of your story, it's the beginning of a new chapter. The struggles you face today have the potential to make you stronger, wiser, and more resilient if you choose to learn from them and take purposeful action.